Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a chit chat video on products that I use to help keep my hair moisturized. Moisture is very important to me and it's very important in my hair care routine. So before I share some products with you that my hair likes, not favorites but just I'm enjoying at the moment, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, for my type of hair, moisture is so important, but I'm also very aware of the protein and moisture balance that my hair needs as well. But moisture for me helps my hair to be more manageable. It makes detangling so much easier, and just having manageable soft hairs helped me to fall in love with my hair. So I'm just going to share with you products that I've been using in my wash day routine to help keep my hair moisturized. I'll start off with the shampoo, and you guys have seen this on my channel already. This is from iWori. It's the Baobab Organic African Baobab Sulfate Free Ultra Nourishing Shampoo. It promises to intensely nourish and condition and is for very dry hair. So starting off with this really does help not strip my hair during the cleansing process and help to keep my hair moisturized as well. After cleansing my hair, always deep condition, and this from As I Am, like, this is just so good for my type of hair. This is the Hydration Elevation Intensive Conditioner, and my hair loves this. It makes my hair feel like butter. Also detangling, it has a slip to it. My hands glide through my hair. I can detangle with ease. I leave this on for an hour, rinse it off. My hair is nice and soft. It prepares my hair for the styling process. And then I start styling, and a leave-in that I'm also loving at the moment is also from As I Am, and this is the leave-in conditioner. It's the coconut range, the brown color. My hair loves this. I love the consistency of this. I love how it plays well with other products. I love how soft it leaves my hair when I'm applying it, as well as throughout the week. Even to refresh my hair, I can just refresh my hair with this leave-in conditioner during the week. My hair loves it, and again guys, this is just stuff that works for me. When my hair is really dry, I add an extra step, which I don't usually do on normal wash days, but I will go in with a moisturizer. And my hair loves this Afrotame Hydrating Hair Moisturizer. It contains mango butter and hempseed oil. It promises hydrating, soothing, healing and moisturizing. It promises to condition, soften and restore shine to the hair. I'll apply this after my leave-in conditioner. I won't put too much of it. I'll focus on the ends or any areas, you know, or if it's at the crown of my head, wherever it's dry, I'll just add this in for some more moisture. And then to style my hair, I like to go in also with a very moisturizing styler, and something my hair likes is from Cantu. I do feel like in South Africa the formula isn't the way it is overseas. I know it might sound a little bit weird, or I might be saying something strange, but in South Africa, using Cantu, especially the restorative leave-in conditioner, I found that my hair does get a bit dry, but like when I buy it overseas, my hair absolutely loves it. It might not be the formula, let me apologize for that. It might just be the weather as well. But when it comes to styling, I like to go in with the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing twist and lock gel. It controls frizz for a silky smooth hold, and I have this in my hair at the moment. I've just refreshed it. This glides in my hair. It really does give my hair a nice shine, and it keeps it soft as well. No crunch whatsoever. I love the consistency of it. It's like a gel cream mixture type of thing. I really do like it. So that's it guys, just some products that I would use when I want to add some moisture. Remember, when you're looking for moisture, look on the label. Make sure that the label on any product says moisturizing or moisture, so that you know you're buying something that is supposed to work in that particular way. Don't buy something that says keratin on it or protein, because it's going to work in the opposite than what you actually want it to work. So make sure you look for those moisturizing words so that your hair can be soft. Don't look for something that says protein or keratin on it, because it's not going to give you the results that you're looking for. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video of just some products that I use to help keep my hair moisturized throughout the week, or over, you know, a few weeks when my hair is feeling a bit dry. Drop your comments down below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.